arrived in Kotor. This is the old city, the walls. We're going into the main gate. There's a gate here and there's a gate on the other side where we're gonna go through the main, and eventually we're gonna climb our way all the way up there. So here's the gate to the old city, the central gate.
First of all, showing patron saint of our life. It is a Roman Catholic. Second saint. It's the home.
Here's the Palace of the Skuksa family. This is the palace of Palata Pima the 17th. So it says 1166 to 2016. So first impressions of Old Town are that it's awesome. Kotor has a really cool feeling. I think they really tried to preserve a lot of the medieval or pre-medieval feel, Roman era. It's so far cool. We've only been here for less than an hour and already I love it. So. So nice. See, told you it was good to get this. Hi, buddies.